Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is going to be a little different. We're not just learning casual phrases or everyday vocabulary. Today we are going to learn how to express deep feelings and have serious conversation in Cebuano. Because let's be honest, life isn't always light and fun. Sometimes you need to talk about difficult things. Sometimes you need to express what's really in your heart. And if you're learning Cebuano to connect with people you care about, you need to know how to do this. So, let's get started. Part 1. Expressing sadness and grief. I'm sad. I'm sad. Masulubon ako. Masulubon ako. Masulubon means sad or sorrowful. Ko means I or me. This is a simple but honest way to express sadness. Number 2, my heart is heavy. My heart is heavy. Mabugat ang akong dughan. Or bugat ang akong pamati. Bugat ang akong pamati or mabugat ang akong dughan. It means mabugat or bugat means heavy. Dughan means chest or heart. This is a more poetic way to express deep sadness or burden. Cebuanos often use physical descriptions to express emotions. Number 3, I'm going through something difficult. Nag-agi ko og lisod karon. Nag-agi ko og lisod karon. Nag-agi means going through or experiencing. Lisod means difficult. Karon means now or right now. Number 4, I lost someone important to me. Nawala ang usa ka importante nga tawo sa akong kinabuhi. Let's repeat. Nawala ang usa ka importante nga tawo sa akong kinabuhi. Nawala means lost or gone. Importante nga tawo means important person. Kinabuhi means life. Part 2. Expressing worry and anxiety. I'm worried. In Cebuano, nabalaka ko. Nabalaka ko. Nabalaka means worried or anxious. This is the most common way to express worry in Cebuano. Next, I don't know what to do. In Cebuano, wala ko kabalo unsay buhaton. Wala ko kabalo unsay buhaton. Wala ko kabalo means I don't know. Wala ko kabalo. Unsay buhaton means what to do. This phrase expresses confusion or feeling lost. Next, I'm scared about the future. Nahadlok ko sa umaabot. Let's repeat. Nahadlok ko sa umaabot. Nahadlok means scared or afraid. Umaabot means the future or what's coming. Next, asking for help and support. Can we talk? Can we talk in Cebuano? Pwede ba kitang mag-istorya? Pwede ba kitang mag-istorya? Pwede ba means can we or is it possible? Kitang mag-istorya means we talk. This is a gentle way to start a serious conversation. Next, I need someone to talk to. I need someone to talk to. In Cebuano, Kinahanglan nako og kausap. Kinahanglan nako og kausap. Or kinahanglan nako og kaistorya. Kinahanglan nako means I need. Kausap or kaistorya means someone to talk to or conversation partner. Next, can you help me? Can you help me in Cebuano? Pwede ba nimo ako tabangan? Pwede ba nimo ako tabangan? Pwede ba nimo means can you. Tabangan means help. Ko means me. Next, I need your advice. I need your advice. In Cebuano, kinahanglan nako ang imong tambag. Let's repeat. Kinahanglan nako ang imong tambag. Tambag means advice or counsel. This shows you value the other person's opinion. Next, offering support. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. In Cebuano, naa ako dinhi. Ani or aniara ako dinhi. Naa ako dinhi para nimo. I'm here for you. That's what it means. Ani ako dinhi para nimo. Naa ako dinhi means I'm here. Para nimo means for you. This is a powerful phrase of support. Next, you can talk to me anytime. In Cebuano, pwede ka kanunay makig-istorya nako. Pwede ka kanunay makig-istorya kanako. Kanunay means always or anytime. Makig-istorya nako means talk to me. Next, everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. In Cebuano, maayo ra ang tanan. Let's repeat. Maayo ra ang tanan. Maayo ra means will be okay or will be fine. Tanan means everything. This is a very comforting phrase you can use. Next, don't lose hope. Don't lose hope in Cebuano, ayaw kawad-i og paglaom. Ayaw kawad-i og paglaom. Ayaw kawad-i means don't lose hope. Ayaw kawad-i, don't lose hope. Now let's repeat. Ayaw kawad-i og paglaom means ayaw kawad-i, don't lose. Paglaom means hope. This encourages someone to stay strong. Next, making difficult decision. I need to make a difficult decision. In Cebuano, kinahanglan nako maghimo og lisod nga desisyon. Let's repeat. Kinahanglan nako maghimo og lisod nga desisyon. Maghimo og desisyon means make a decision. Lisod means difficult. Next, I don't know if this is the right choice. In Cebuano, wala ko kahibalo kung husto ba kini nga pagpili. Wala ko kahibalo kung husto ba kini nga pagpili. Husto means right or correct. Pagpili means choice or decision. Next, I'm thinking about my family. I'm thinking about my family. In Cebuano, naghuna-huna ako sa akong pamilya. Naghuna-huna ako sa akong pamilya. Naghuna-huna means thinking. This shows you're considering others. Alright, next, expressing gratitude in serious moments. Thank you for being there for me. In Cebuano, salamat kay naa ka pirmi or salamat kay naa ka para nako. This expresses deep gratitude for someone's presence and support. Next, I appreciate you. In Cebuano, gipasalamatan ko gyud ikaw. Gipasalamatan ko gyud ikaw. Gipasalamatan means appreciate or be grateful for. Gyud adds emphasis, really or truly. Next, you helped me a lot. In Cebuano, dako kaayo ang imong tabang nako. Dako kaayo ang imong tabang kanako. Dako means very big or a lot. Tabang means help. Next, expressing hope and moving forward. I hope things get better. I hope things get better. In Cebuano, nang hinaot ko nga mo maayo ang tanan. Nang hinaot ko nga mo maayo ang tanan. Nang manghinaot or nang hinaot means hope or wish. Mo maayo means will get better or will improve. Next, I'm trying to stay strong or I'm trying to be strong. Naningkamot ko nga mamaligon. Naningkamot ko nga mamaligon. Naningkamot means trying or making an effort. Mamaligon means to be strong. Next, tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. In Cebuano, ugma bag-o nga adlaw. Ugma bag-o nga adlaw. Ugma means tomorrow. Bag-o nga adlaw means new day. This expresses hope for a fresh start. Next, sample conversation. Asking for support. Hey, can we talk? I'm going through something difficult. In Cebuano, hoy, pwede ba kitang mag-istorya? Nag-agi ko og lisod karon. Next, of course, I'm here for you. What's happening? In Cebuano, syempre, na ako dinhi para nimo. May nahitabo? Unsa may nahitabo? Other conversation? I don't know what to do. I need your advice. In Cebuano, wala ko kahibalo. Unsay buhaton? Kinahanglan nako ang imong tambag. Next, offering a comfort. I'm so sad. My heart is heavy. In Cebuano, masulubon kaayo ko. Mabugat ang akong dughan. I understand. You can talk to me anytime. Don't lose hope. Nasabtan ko. Pwede ka kanunay makig-istorya nako. Ayaw kawan o paglaom. In English, thank you for being there for me. In Cebuano, salamat kay naa ka para nako. In Cebuano culture, expressing deep emotions can sometimes be very difficult, especially for older generations. Many Cebuanos show love and concern through actions rather than words. But when serious conversations do happen, they're often very heartfelt and sincere. When having these conversations, take your time, don't rush, use a gentle, respectful tone. Physical presence matters. Being there is often as important as the words. It's okay to cry or show emotion. Family and community support is highly valued. So, learning these phrases isn't just about language. It's about being able to truly connect with the people during the most important moments in life. Whether you're supporting someone you love or you need support yourself, knowing how to express these feelings in Cebuano can make all the difference. I hope this lesson helps you have deeper, more meaningful conversations. Remember, language is a bridge to the heart. Practice these phrases, use them with compassion, and know that it's okay to be vulnerable. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Cebuano lessons. Salamat kaayo. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Pag-amping kamong tanan sa sunod na sad nga panahon. Bye-bye.